Okay, so let's talk about speakers. I don't have that fancy speaker microphone that you can take pictures. That's a little too pricey. And of course, there's also the Bluetooth headset, which I haven't seen, and I think it's operated through Vox, which is something that I'm not too fancy about. So the next best thing apparently is using this microphone right here, the Yaesu MH-34. I'm not sure if this is the best thing, but this is what they recommended at the ham radio outlet. Now, this particular speaker has this circle ring that goes around the antenna. So let's do that. Let's thread it in here, and it goes right there. And then this pops in here. There we go. And move that around if you want. And apparently this microphone might be a left-handed microphone. You hold it on with your left hand, and then you do whatever you need with your right hand. And you can see also that this clip is facing to the left. So that's kind of interesting. One thing about this clip that's useful is that it doesn't, it keeps this sort of stable. Third-party microphones, I had a third-party microphone for about 10 minutes, and I was like, I'm over it. It would get loose here, even though it was a really nice speaker microphone. So again, this is the Yaesu MH-34. It does connect into the FT3D. It does have this little clip. It's probably aimed so that you can use your left hand, most likely. Yes, you can use your right hand. But look what happens to the radio. It also turns. Can we move that to the other side? Probably. Then again, I'm not sure. But it looks like this seems to be the best fit for now.